太阳能是目前上侪人咧推行的永续能源，不过到2000年，全球要单调的太阳能板重量会达到一年7800万吨。北美上大的太阳能板回收厂目前当地积极咧回收甲翻新，或者是甲太阳能板甲拆掉了后再利用。
这是北美上大的太阳能板回收厂，伫油麻郡，每工回收的板仔有34万5千磅，相同一年因回收太阳能板6900万磅，因讲是超过3.1吨。
It is now becoming more and more accessible to everyone. There was no planning for end of life, and with secondary markets, with U.S.'s supply chain woes, we knew we could find a way to take those raw materials and these assets and give them new life.
为处理这功能板，工厂占地有23000平，专门回收纽泽西州甲全国其他6个回收点的废弃功能板，有的只有几条必损，若翻新就应各用。为着不要浪费这个也可能使用的功能板，业者会尽力翻修，用济了后搁袂出去。
We don't want to go to the landfill. That's the last thing that we want to do. There's still life left in them. They're 25 to 30 years. At the end of the day, someone else's trash is someone else's treasure. That we're able to refurbish and remarket that and get it to a place where an underserved community can take advantage of that.
顺常甲无法度用的太阳能板，就会放伫个团藏的所在，对机器运转拆开。各家喙分类正做无共款材质原料，包含玻璃、铜、银、阿鲁米这金属。 专家估算，伫全球近10年来推行永续能源的同时，到2000年，全球废太阳能板总重量会有一年7800万吨，所以太阳能板回收的事业是正重要。公司新闻，陈时东编译。